Hello listeners, hello video viewers, welcome to English with Alex channel. Today I am going to read very interesting short story called The Two Goats. The Two Goats. Over a river there was a very narrow bridge. One day a goat was crossing this bridge. Just at the middle of the bridge he met another goat. There was no room for them to pass. "Go back," said one goat to the other. "There is no room for both of us." "Why should I go back?" said the other goat. "Why should not you go back?" "You must go back," said the first goat, "because I am stronger than you." "You are not stronger than I," said the second goat. "We will see about that," said the first goat, and he put down his horns to fight. "Stop," said the second goat. "If we fight, we shall both fall into the river and be drowned. Instead, I have a plan. I shall lie down and you may walk over me." Then the wise goat lay down on the bridge, and the other goat walked lightly over him. So they passed each other and went on their ways. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye for now and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.